Welcome back. And as you can see, the client with this invoice actually still owes $300, and that's after the invoice, that's after the payment, that's after the refund, and after the credit. And what we could do is we could decide that we want to issue this customer a credit for the rest of their balance so that we in effect do the work and the customer will not owe us for the remaining balance. And so in order to do that, we can actually go back to issue another credit. And we can do that from the business tab, and we'll go to our business actions. We'll go to our invoices and estimates, and then we're going to issue a credit. And what we're going to do is we're going to issue the credit to the same client. We're actually going to issue the credit for $300. Basically, we've decided to offset the cost of the second part of the invoice, which for the sake of this example was called video editing. So we're going to now click enter. You'll notice now that that credit is $300. We would go ahead and email this to the client. We're not going to do that on this video. And what we're going to do now is we're going to click enter. So what you'll notice now is that the client actually owes nothing else on this particular invoice, and they've actually paid everything that they're going to pay. And if we look at the month-to-date income statement, we'll notice that there is $2,500 now instead of $2,700. If we actually drill down, we would be able to see the transactions that make up that $2,700, which is basically the $2,700 less the $200 credit. And if you were to look at the balance sheet, you'll notice that the video creation assets is now at a zero balance, which means that we no longer have an account receivable or money that we expect to have coming in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.